Now, here's how you can search nearby on Google Maps using your iPhone. Before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. Let's get into it. First of all, you want to make sure you get the app. So open up the app, like the Google Maps application, and you can zoom in on a random location. You might as well just click on your active one in case you want to search around that. So that is the option as well. But once you get to a certain location, let's say right here, you can choose and search nearby like activities in here, right? So you have a little like menu of stuff. So you have restaurants, hotels, gas, and you can scroll through it and you can choose any of them to just find nearby. So let's say I just want to get a coffee. So I'm going to click on coffee and it's going to show me all of the coffee shops around, right? So I can even filter them by price or top rated or which are open right now. So more options and more filters are available in here. But it's not limited to just these because you can click on more. And here you have like food and drink and all the things right here, things to do, shopping. You can see a bunch of different stuff. So let's say I'm going to look up ATMs right now. Okay, so it is going to give me the option, right? So it's pretty useful and everything. But when I zoom out, it is like, showing me other locations. But let's say I'm going to move over on the map right here or whatever. I can just click on search this area and it's just going to perform the search once again on the part of map that we are in right now. Because sometimes it works, but sometimes not really, right? So when I, for example, just get a restaurant right here, it is going to show me a couple of restaurants right there. But usually when I just move over to a different map or whenever I'm searching for something specific, I have to rezoom it again and then click on search this area again. So yeah, that's how you can do it. But these are the most common point of interest on the map, which you can search nearby. So hope you found this video helpful. Let me know down below in the comments if there's anything else which you would like to know. But for now, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.